Children, we are discussing now the topic is binary numbers. You know the binary numbers that 0 and 1. Binary numbers represent only two numbers. One is 0, another one is 1. 0 stands for off and 1 stands for on. Okay, so it's called binary numbers. And means what's the relation between binary numbers and storage, means computer storage capacity? Because in this chapter, our chapter is related to data and its storage. Then what about that means relation with numbers and storage? Because we know computer have their own storage capacity, and we can also use some storage device for keep our file safely, or for further use that we can use pen drive, CD, DVD, hard disk for store our data or files or any documents. Okay, so what's the relation between them? The relation is there that when we keep our documents or files into the storage device, that there will be a particular size, means storage capacity, and it is measured by numbers. Okay, so suppose I am giving the example, you have pen drive, that 4 GB pen drive. So 4 GB is the particular storage capacity. More than 4 GB you can't keep any document in that pen drive. You can't, it's not possible, because the highest capacity is 4 GB. So GB, that term, KB, that term, you usually know, means you are habituated with this term. But where from the terms are coming, how they are related to the numbers? Okay, that topic we will discuss. Now we are discussing about binary numbers. So binary numbers are two numbers, and we are using the numbers that called decimal number. Decimal numbers. Okay, decimal numbers means from 0 it started and going on like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then the maximum number. Okay, it's called decimal number, and binary numbers means only two numbers. Again I am saying only two numbers, 0 and 1. So how we get that binary numbers from decimal numbers? Means in your book page you have seen two columns are given. Left side column there are numbers that we are using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right side column you have seen that binary numbers, that 4 times 0 means 0 equal to 4 times, so 1 equal to like 0, 0, 0, 1, then 2 equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, like this. Okay, so how it is coming, that explanation I am giving now, means how we get the binary numbers from the decimal numbers.